Okay, I'm out here today talking about how to charge the two-stage cooling system. It's a heat pump. It also has variable speed air handler. It's a 16 SEER, and it's a Ruud Rheem system. So this is how you charge it. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is make sure this thing's actually running in second stage. So you can tell right here on the wiring schematic, Y2 is a blue wire. It goes directly to the compressor. Why they didn't put it with the rest of the low volt connections of the thermostat or the air handler, I have no idea. And over on this diagram over here, it doesn't even tell you what color it is, just Y2 and no color wire. Anyway, it's a blue wire, and it's right here, and it goes directly to the compressor. It does not go to the circuit board. That B wire is for the reversing valve. So we're going to go ahead and test this with the meter. Okay, so I had a little issue here. I didn't have second stage was not engaging. My wiring at the air handler was a little off. Now I have power there. This unit's been running for about maybe 3 minutes or so, so I'm waiting for these pressures to kind of settle down. So now I'm charging this unit. Just letting it in slowly. As you can see, it's not the standard setup. I open up my low side all the way, and then I flutter it in with the charging hose. I'd rather replace this valve than this valve. And these valves tend to go bad, so especially when you're metering in liquid, turning it into a vapor right here, these valves can go bad. I've been letting some 410A refrigerant into the system. Now I'm getting it closer. This thing is hunting a little bit. It's not crazy though. It's kind of actually just hunting within tolerance, which would be plus or minus 3 degrees typically. Ruud doesn't give that specification, but I know that if you're anywhere within about 3 degrees subcooling, you're good. So this thing's popping up to 9 degrees subcooling and down to about 7. So we're right in there in the margin of error. Suction looks pretty good. I'd like to see higher superheat, but the system might be a little bit restricted on the duct side. Anyway, it does have a 5-inch filter. I think we're good.